select with keys also we have to see, and the concept of select with keys. For example, we have to fill an extra field, the concept called as location. Okay, if the user is this, okay, for example, if the user is Harsha, okay, if the employee is Harsha, if the employee name is Harsha, I want to display the location as Hyderabad. Okay, if the employee location, sorry, if the employee is Abhishek, I have to display the location as Maharashtra. Okay, like that, you have to fill one extra column. How you are going to do that approach? For example, I am writing this select EBELN AEDATERNAM. Okay, let me put the case here. Okay, case ERNAM, which is the purchase order, which who is created by is the ERNAM. Okay, created by. When the user, okay, for example, let me see the data in the table level. EKPO na EKKO kada EKKO. Let me go for the display. See the entry. Here F user 047. Okay. If purchase order was created by F user 047, okay, 047, I want to display the location as Hyderabad. Okay. Similarly, the next one, the next purchase order created by, let me see, Galaxy MM1. I want to display if this was the user, I want to display as Maharashtra. Whatever the user from the remaining, I want to display as foreign. Okay. To hold this information when the user is this, I want to display this information. To hold this information, we need a field, right? So those will be taken as a runtime in the select query itself. Okay, so those will be called as end as. End as will tells you the data which is satisfied to this condition will be stored in this particular column. Just you can mention as location. Okay, location from EKKO into table at the rate data LTEKKO where EBLN n at the rate yes EBLN. So let me declare a select option first. Tables EKKO select options. Yes, EBLN for EKKO EBLN. Okay, let me write down the display. Okay, let me put the debugging, even though we put the debugging, that will not make any impact. Okay, let me see where we got. 1 2006. Okay. 1 2006. Delete, 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 delete. 1006. Execute. Okay, let me go for this. LDKKO. Double click on this. Yes, EBLN. Go for the F6. Now we are getting the 16 records. In those 16 records, what is the condition which we are writing? When the purchase order was created by F user 047, I want to display as location as Hyderabad. This is the this satisfy the condition. If this is the satisfied, go for the it satisfy this field as Hyderabad. If this is the condition, if this was the user created by purchase order, so this is the location. Okay. And again, if user Hyderabad. Okay. Understood. So the time